Hello and welcome to Home versus House. I'm Lisa, and this is a channel where I share budget-friendly home decor and lifestyle ideas. Guys, today I am coming with a video unboxing a garden tool kit that I received as a gift recently. And so this is garden season for me, or the start of garden season for me. I'm really excited to have this gift and to utilize it in my gardening this season. So gardening is something that I grew up around. Both sets of grandmothers gardened and had beautiful flower gardens in the front of their home. And although I didn't get involved at the time with their gardening, I did sit close by on the steps, on a rock, on a blanket somewhere nearby, listening to them tell family oral stories. And I really enjoy that time. I also have grandfathers who were farmers as well. And again, I didn't get involved at the time, but as I transition through this phase of life, I'm really enjoying gardening, and I really see the benefits that gardening brought to my grandparents, right? Especially my grandmothers, who I believe did it as a form of therapy. And so I'm really enjoying the therapeutic benefits of gardening. And so I started gardening about 4 years ago, and each year I learn and I grow and I develop in my gardening practice. I'm still a novice, at least that's what I consider myself, but I really am enjoying it, and I look forward to the spring and summer and fall as my garden develops. So guys, I am going to unbox this gift with you, and then later on some future videos, you'll see how I'm utilizing the content of the gift. So here it is.
All right, so I thought I'd be able to resist and wait to use the content of this unboxing, but it clearly I'm not able to do that. And so I did go ahead and use the spray bottle to water some seeds and seedlings in preparation for my backyard vegetable garden. I also did use the spray bottle just to spray down the leaves of my indoor plants. And so you'll see me doing that here. Guys, I am itching to get started on my backyard garden, but the last frost date for my area is April 17th. So I've got a few more weeks to wait. So I'm being patient, and in the meantime, I'm finding pleasure in taking care of my indoor plants and some of these seeds and seedlings that I'm getting started indoors. Guys, thank you so much for making it this far in the video and for supporting my channel. I am very grateful. For those of you who have joined me for the first time, thank you so much. And those that are coming, that have come back, thank you for coming back. Guys, please don't forget to leave a comment as well as like this video and then subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you on the next video. In the meantime, take care.